jumping lights. He just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Easy anyway, he never really talks much. Never concerned with status, but still even in starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him because it makes a living.
Na dabar Šešplaukis, puikiai proga, Šešplaukis 2-1. Kažkas neįtikėtino, negaliu patikėti. 95 rungtynių minutė. Deividas Šešplaukis vėl nuo įvartį. Vau, 11 numeris.
50% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100%.
Šiauliečiams bėgti į priekį, Deividas Šešplaukis. Metasi tolyn su kamuoliu. Jis jau baudos aikštelėje, Šešplaukio smūgis ir štai toks įvartis.
100% reason to remember the name. Let's go!
Ryu was ill. Who would have thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the Crystal Method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse. This dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots.
Šiek tiek pasidarbavo rankomis, tačiau taisyklių pažeidimas nėra fiksuojamas. Šiaulių komandos išpuolis ir 2-1. Deividas Šešplaukis.
50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
Call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with Tox, but a fucking nihilist. Porcupine, he's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be within rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record, we should notice taking